Hi very welcome back to the channel. So, Harris zonating you probably did expect to hear. I used coming for entry-level jobs anymore. Nope. It's no repreking senior executives, managers and makers in big companies. Sounds crazy, right? 4 years is vu. Fiki all intelligent gewollt mostly IPTV or low-skill jobs, things like that in true customer service or basic coding. But what's happening is novice completely different. I started to talk over high-level roles taught over strategic planning, decision making, and leadership. RSV wants there say from Almation. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what vru is replings racking senior executives, but it me on this for of corporate leadership is. And weder human still haver an edge in the aga of intelligent machines. We'll also look at real examples of buying uzate in executive positions. Hof companies are having millions doing this. And what you can do to stay relevant in this new vault of works. Grupp as because that, as only going to initial and hope you think about leadership power and the four of business. Let's get started. The reason of decision makers, just a tool anymore, it's becoming a decision makers. We've companies society for analytics, marketing and logistics, but no. Businesses are training systems to make level decisions. Diese systems analyze huge das assess risks, and even recommend or execute strategies faster on human executives. For instance, Soma investment firms are using AI to allocate risks and rebalance portfolios, roles ta use to belong to financial directors. In China, our tech company inamit NetDragon Websoft appointed and in Ali program kan US atseo. Yes, an actual ITEOs. View eat managas operations, ambas projects, and even evaluate its employee performance. We are companies doing this. Speeds, icon perkes information and market decisions in seconds. Cost nosalities or human bias, consistencies. Machines don't get tirade or emotional. Executives use it to be evaluate for the experiment, but knows. Algorithms are learning to mimic tatsama decision making process, and because ana access real-time global data. It's often more accurate than a human relies on intuition or good feelings. This is just the beginning, and it's forking companies to rating what leadership really means. Vusenio executives are enough at risk for decades. It was believed automation vonly treaten blue-collar jobs. But as evolution has flipped tot the opposite dovs. We will companies. Senior executives are no vulnerable as a because of what they do. Analyzing data, forecasting trends. We will companies. Or making strategy presentations can automate. Here is what saying. I can generate business reports in seconds. Predictive models forecast alles volles and market shifts better than most analysts. Language models fest like ChatGPT or others can read strategic plans and even generate investor pitches. When you think about it, our big part executive work is in function synthesis and decision making. Areas where aim of skills and companies are starting to notica. We pay millions for a C-suite team when tools can desimilar so many teams better. Results for a fraction the costs. This doesn't mean all executives are domate, but dieses mehr tradition tatral leadership skills won't be enux. The modern executive must stand AI-driven strategy, data ethics, automation management, or risk buying replicate besomeona or zometing tadus. Hof AI is already replicating you making executives to learn. This tip is in theoretical. It's already happening. IBM has reportedly used AI systems to manage higher functions, including hearing and workforce planning. Amazon is to monitor supply chains precas and recommend operational decisions. Stouts knows AI co-founders. Digital binds taught high product development, research and investment utreachis. Even executive recruiters. Peotlovofen chaos are buying applicate bu AI tools tatskan databases and it candidates will zukulkis. Base one common analytics simpians. Zifferal corporations have adapted od AI advisors in the bill of directors to announce lex financial data before an epsilon dexion is madas. What very zenging is a shift from human leadership to data-driven governance. Companies no longer need or person making the calls. They can really on a network of AI models taught collaborate simulatu kitavats best out with human bias or delays. And for many corporations, that's extremely appealing. Is the four of corporate leadership that happens to human executives nov. In the near futures, velikely hip leadership models, where humans and AI share executive responsibilities. The CEO of tomorrow might work alongside an AI partner taught provides instead scanner analysis and predictive insights. Instead of making all the decisions, leaders will focus on Winterting AI Insights Managing Peopleantkul Remarking Ethical and Creative Kals Essentialis. The human Elementbel Polkomma the Differentiator, Creativity, Empathies. Emotional Intelligentica, These are things I controlly replicata last note yet. Boot here is the catch. Only executives will embraka I will survivor. Toes of all resist risk buying left behind these. Companies are already seeking to ledelse. People will understand but business and technologies. This new generation of executives want just manage teams, tal manage algorithms. So, the question is will I replicate executives anymore? Each bewe executives will learn to work with AI, and which will be replicate buit. If es means for you weiter your managers, entrepreneur or just start new career this change affects you to. The corporate vault is buying recipe bui I at a very level. The skills taught maturate before, like networking, experience or seniority, are a bang recate adaptability I literacies. Strategy creativity. Here is what you can do right now. Learn I tools, understand how they work and where they feed in your fields. Develop soft skills, common empathy and leadership are to human strengths. Stay curious. The future will revert toes of all can evolve quickly. Remember, AI is a powerful tool. It like a very revolution. Will favor toes of our preparate. So instead of fearing AI layoffs, start preparing to lay out with ease. Because of the companies of tomorrow will be built humans AI, working together not against others. AI replicating senior executives might sound shocking, but it's our clear signal of how fast technology is evolving. The idea of a machinery running our business sounded like science fiction. Today it's becoming standard practice in some industries. But here's the good news. Humans still have the advantage of creativity, emotional intelligence and moral reasonings. These are qualities AI can simulate but not truly fail. So, the real general shelling is about competing with AI, it's about partnering with it. The latest vote retrieving in this new article will be the understand how fast aus the AI as automata, not automata. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Do you think I are the future, or are we taking Amazon too far?